Hey guys, what's up? Alex back with the daily stock market, and look at that. We did have a green day on Friday, slightly green in the markets with individual stocks up as well. We have Google up 3.7%. We have Baba up 4%. We have Microsoft up 2%, Meta Platforms up 2.1%. We have Oracle stock at a 52-week high right now, so it could be a good time to potentially start shorting Oracle stock down to around $90 per share and buy some puts. So in this video, what we're going to be talking about is the best options to be taking out, whether that's buying puts or buying calls. We're going to be talking about the best stocks to be looking at and tracking that are above a 52-week high. As we can see, Oracle's far above in a way at a 52-week high. And we're also going to be talking about certain stocks that are at a 52-week low, and it might be a good idea to consider some call options. So make sure you stay throughout this entire video. Slap a big thumbs up on this video. And by the way, guys, if you want to get on my private Discord or my close friends list, message me on Instagram. Now, much success. Thousands and thousands of dollars are being made in the Discord every single day. So here I'll scroll through some of the success so you guys can actually see some of the recent success just from last week. Several students making thousands of dollars, and it's one big giant community in there. So if you're looking for like-minded individuals to run your ideas past, or to follow some top traders like Rich Mo, for example, he has that purple tag, that top trader tag, and posts his trades all the time. Here you see another top trader. Thank you so much. The daily stock market, $300 made on Apple puts from your signal on Instagram. DM me there if you want to follow along with my trades and top traders trades as well, posting expiration dates for option trades, and also strike prices, when to buy and when to sell and get out of the trade. So first up, let's talk about Oracle. Let's dive right in. Okay, at a 52-week high, here we see that they are extended above 15% just in the last couple weeks. Okay, and Oracle typically doesn't make that move. When we saw them up around 28% last time, we did see a pullback. Okay, so time again, we saw the first pullback here, and second off, we saw the second pullback right here. Okay, so there's a good chance that we see at least a little bit of a pullback on Oracle stock next week. Just be careful because Oracle does have a lot of positive momentum. We saw that they plan to open their second cloud region in Singapore, China. We also see that Oracle's stake in TikTok Global and Cloud Services to TikTok US operations should add a significant boost to Oracle's top line and attract more general use cloud customers. Oracle's autonomous database was built with the ease in mind, which could bring a significant base of first-time Oracle users to the company. But keep in mind, they're not set to report earnings till June. Okay, so they could report positive earnings, but the stock could definitely dip down before those earnings because they have no positive catalyst until that top line gets reported for earnings. Now, some bearish things. This was updated end of March 31st to be exact. COVID could accelerate Oracle customers' digital transformation efforts, thus causing Oracle to lose customers at a faster pace than expected. Oracle Cloud Business could struggle to win business as alternative and database systems leave little incentive to select Oracle. Oracle could suffer below average growth as customers are prompted to change database and software provided in their transition to the clouds. And remember, none of this is financial advice and none of this is a green light to go ahead and buy puts. This is just some of my thoughts to get you at least thinking and to do some of your own research on these stocks after the videos. If you want to see exactly what I'm buying, when I'm buying it, strike prices, expiration dates, and the exact ticker symbols I'm taking out on, message me on Instagram, join the close friends list or the Discord, and get started today. Next stock at a 52-week high is Hershey Company, and they've been on an absolute tear, up 19%. And Hershey Company typically does not go up 19% without at least somewhat of a pullback. Okay, in the last 5 years, they are outpacing a lot of different stocks in the S&P 500 with it being at a 5-year high. Most stocks are not at a 5-year high right now, and they're like 10% above a 5-year high. So Hershey could come crashing down soon to around $245 per share. Under $250 per share, I think, is probably very realistic for something like Hershey. $252 per share. If we look at Hershey's history in the past, we can see anytime they have a big spike up, they are due for a sell-off. So Hershey's, again, could be another good one to be taking out a put on. However, there's no guarantee it will fall back down, even though I personally think that next 2 weeks or so, we can start seeing Hershey coming back down. Here's the monthly chart. It's just basically an up, and away, and we're starting to see a stagnation. If we pull up the technicals on Hershey, the 5-day, 5-minute chart, we see the RSI way above 70, which is not a good thing to be looking at all. And if we change that to the 2-minute chart, it's still above 70 on the RSI. We can see the MACD is very high. And what we can see is that it's above all of the MAs, the moving averages. It's topped out. So it looks like Hershey could definitely be pushing back down to that 5-day, 10-day, and even 20-day MA. Now, it is Easter Sunday, by the way, so happy Easter to everyone who made it this far in the video. And after this video, spend some time with family and friends. If you guys don't have any around, make sure you at least spend some time with some family. Call someone on the phone, FaceTime them. I'm taking my time out of this Easter Sunday to make this video for you guys. Okay, and I don't want to hold you too long, so this video won't be super extended and it will not be super long. Let's just do one more stock update here. And this option that we're going to be talking about is a call option. We have Plug Power down 4.2%, ticker symbol PLUG. Okay, it's down 30% in the past month. Now, this one is super risky because what's going on is that it is has a lot of downward momentum. Okay, and when there's a lot of downward momentum, usually the trend is your friend, so you don't want to play against that downward momentum. But what we can see is that it's starting to bottom out. If we look at some basic trend lines here, we can see that it's towards the bottom of a support, and it can at least bounce back up a little bit here for a call option and then head back down more. So this is going to be a short-term call option. Could even be a swing trade on a Plug Power. We see them at a 52-week low. And what happens every time we see a big sell-off, even a little one here, we see a bounce back at least a little bit. So for Plug Power to be selling off, I think it's a good idea to do a swing trade or a call option. Now remember, this is more risky, so if you want to be a little bit more patient and get a better deal, you could even wait for Plug Power to trend down a little bit further to $7 per share. Okay, but usually when Plug Power makes a new 52-week low, like that was visualized here, December 23rd, December 27th, it typically upticks for a little bit after that 52-week low. Here we saw a fresh 52-week low, it upticked. Here we saw a fresh 52-week low, it upticked. Okay, here we saw a fresh 52-week low, it upticked. Here we saw a fresh 52-week low before that, and it upticked a little bit. So yes, it is very risky to do a call option on Plug Power, but there is some possibility of it playing out in your favor. Call option, buying a call. These are very cheap call options too, is the good thing about the Plug Power one. This one, the 9.5 call for April 21st, or you can even look at April 28th or even May 5th is probably the furthest out I would go. There's still a pretty good price here. It's only $74 for a nice contract. Okay, so here we see, if we want to take that out, the 9.5 call for expiration date May 5th, that's only $74, and that's a very good contract. Now remember, if you are going to be doing options, you need to know how to mitigate your risk, or at least some risk management in place. Otherwise, you're just gambling if you don't have any risk management. And that's what we teach in the close friends list and the Discord. So if you want to learn how to perfect your option trading and make consistent money from option trading and choose the right strike prices and the right expiration dates, or if you want to just follow along with my trades also, message me on Instagram. Figure out how to mitigate your risk so you're not just gambling and you can make some consistent money. So that's my 3 option trades, 2 puts, and 1 call, 2 stocks at 52-week highs, and 1 stock at a 52-week low. I hope you guys appreciate that video. If you want more option videos like this, comment below and let me know, or message me directly on Instagram. This is my official Instagram. Remember, there's a lot of fake pages out there, so make sure you see 199,000 followers, 726 posts, the daily stock market with no extra periods or extra L's or extra Y's or extra spaces, nothing like that. We now are going to be breaking over the milestone of 200,000 followers, and we're going to be doing a big giveaway, a $200 giveaway to our Discord members. So if you join the Discord, you can easily be a part of the giveaway and get the Discord paid for absolutely included. Remember, if you want to see my trades, that's the Discord and the close friends list. Also, click on success number 8 or success number 7 on the highlights section to read some of these positive testimonials. 300% gain, $7,000 made, okay? Money is just flowing in. This person put up $180 and now has $448 with a profit of $268, and the list goes on and on. So read some of those success stories for yourself. Message me here on Instagram. Share this video with a friend if you think that they will find this video helpful first off, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, don't time the market, buy the market. Peace.